Good morning, good evening to all of you. My name is Shanshu Astamraka, and today we are going to see the introduction section of trigonometry and one quick review that what we are going to study in this particular chapter. Okay, so let's start. The name of our today's topic is trigonometry. The name of the topic is trigonometry, and today we are going to cover topics like introduction, the basic things required you should know about the trigonometry before starting the trigonometry actually. So basic requirement we will see. Then we'll see the trigonometric ratio. Then we have our review of what we are going to study in this particular chapter. Okay, so let's start from the introduction section. So trigonometry is basically derived from the Greek word. You can break this trigonometry into equal parts. First is trigonometry and second is metron. The meaning of trigonometry is something which has three sides. So can you tell one name or one geometrical figure which has only three sides? Yeah, you are correct. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. And metron. The meaning of metron is to measure. So can you add both of this word and say what is the actual meaning of trigonometry? So in trigonometry we are going to measure all the sides and angle or all the things which are present in a triangle. We are going to measure in this particular chapter. So as we know that triangles having six sides. No, four sides. No, two sides? No, yeah, it's three sides basically. It's triangle means string. So something which is made by only three sides or which has only three sides, you can name it triangle. Okay. So let's see some basic requirement before studying this. Before starting to this, so our second part is the basic requirement or basic things which we are going to study in this. So let's see. As we have started from the word trigonometry, we have break in two parts. Let's see parts. Okay. So triangle. What is triangle? Something or a polygon having only made by only three straight line. You can say that it's a triangle. So we can also divide triangles in many parts. As we know, a triangle has how many parts? Three sides and three angles. So on the basis of angle inside, we can divide triangles in two parts. On the basis of sides first, on the basis of sides, we have three triangles. First is equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. If all sides are equal, you can see it's an equilateral triangle. Second one is isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Only two sides are equal. And third one is scalar triangle. No sides are equal. Okay. Now on the basis of angle, we can also divide again the triangle. Like first one in the equilateral triangle, all angles measure is less than 90 degree. Okay. The second one, the obtuse angle triangle, one angle is more than 90 degree. Okay, and here you can say that all angles are less than 90 degree. Okay, and third one is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, one angle is measured 90 degree. Okay, like this you can divide triangles in all six parts. Okay, so which part we are going to study under this topic? So yeah, under this topic we are going to study only one kind of triangle. The name of that triangle is right angle triangle. We are going to study this particular chapter. In everywhere you will see the right angle triangle so only. Okay, so let's just see now what is right angle triangle actually, and the basic properties and basic things we can uh, collect from right angle triangle. What we are going to get. Okay, let's draw one. Let me draw one right angle triangle. Suppose this one you are taking as 90 degree. Let's name all points A, B, C. So you can say that this particular triangle ABC is right angle at B. Okay. So name the other parts. By declaring this 90 degree, what we are getting? As we know, the angle sum of all the internal angles, the sum of all the internal angles of a triangle is equal to what? 180 degree. If you are taking one as 90 degree, the sum of others will be equal to, suppose angle A plus angle C will be equal to 90 degree. So we can say that both angles are complementary. These two angles are complementary or acute also you can say. So this information we are getting. Okay. Now let's see other formulas which are related to trigonometry or which are related to the right angle triangle also or any kind of triangle. So we have three different things. As we know that our triangle has three sides and three angles. You can use Harris formula studied in class 9. If you know all the three sides, the measure of all the three sides, if you know, let's name it small a, small b, and small c. If you don't know the measure of all its ABC, small ABC, then you can use Harris formula to calculate its area. Okay. Now, if you know only two sides, if you are knowing, you can use the universal Pythagoras formula. That formula is c square here. C square will be equal to a square plus b square. Now, by using the Pythagoras formula, you can measure, you can find out the third side also. After finding the third side, you can calculate whatever you want. The area, the perimeter, whatever you want, you will calculate. Okay. Now, if you know only the one side and one small angle, then what you can use? Yes, you can use this trigonometry. Trigonometry you can use. If you know only the measure of one side and one small angle, then you can find the other side. After finding the other side, now you know the value of two sides. You can measure, you can find the third side also. So with very less requirement, you can figure out all the things required under one triangle. So this is the use and application of triangle. Okay, you can use. Now let's see what is trigonometric ratios. So our topic is what is trigonometric ratios. Ratios, you know, the comparison between two quantities of the same kind and same unit. So here, let's draw one right angle triangle. It's right angle at 98 here. Name it point B. This is A. This is C. Okay. Let's name it all the sides. We don't know if you don't know the measure of any sides. Let's name it. Suppose we are going to measure this particular angle. Name it theta. You can also use theta, alpha, gamma, beta, whatever you want. You can use any variable here. We are going to use theta here. Okay. So the side or the side opposite to this particular angle will be known as opposite side. It's very simple. Opposite side. Okay, this the longest side, you can't change this longest side. This longest side will be known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, and this side you can name it base also, and one other name you can give adjacent side you can name. Adjacent side you can name. So now we have the name of all the three sides. Okay, this angle, what will be the value of this angle? Surely this will be 90 minus theta. Surely this will be 90 minus theta. Okay, so in this way you can measure all this. Okay. Now let's see what is trigonometric ratio. So we have few ratios. And what is the meaning of actually trigonometric ratios? In here, trigonometric ratio. By using trigonometric ratio, you can decide the angle. You can calculate this small angle by using the measure of two sides. So what is trigonometric ratio? By using the two sides, you can decide or you can calculate this small angle here. Like suppose your first trigonometric ratio is sine theta. We'll study this in depth. Okay. So sin theta is the ratio of two sides. We have many shortcuts to memorize this ratio, but I have one small trick. Like you always start from left hand side and you need to move to right hand side. So let's start from this two. It means you are starting from this particular side. The name of this particular side is opposite to the hypotenuse. So the ratio of two sides, that is opposite side to hypotenuse, will be known as sin theta. And here it is the ratio of AB, side AB to side AC. Now again, if we are starting from here and moving towards here, the ratio, second ratio is cos theta. This is the ratio of you are starting from here. So name of its side is adjacent side to the hypotenuse. In terms of side and names, you can name it BC upon AC. And third one is tan theta. Tangent you can also say. The tan theta is the ratio of these two. Okay. So in all three circles, you can see we were starting from left hand side and moving towards right hand side. So in this way, you memorize. So tan theta is the ratio. Tell me. We are starting from this side, that side, this side. Yeah. So name of this side is what? Opposite side. 2. We are going to adjacent side. What is its name? AB to BC. Tan theta you can also state that it is a ratio of sin theta to cos theta. So these are the basic trigonometric ratios. We have other ratios also like inverse. From here we will start. Okay. So let's see what the review of this chapter. What we are going to study here. Okay. So applications are I have already discussed. Some applications are like in gaming. Have you played the Mario game where tiny hurdles are like this and you need to jump your character over it to calculate points? Okay, like this. We used to jump how much angle, by how much angle we need to jump to cover more distance. 45-degree it is. So here you can say that it's the application of trigonometry where the character jumps by using 45-degree angle. So in gaming also, in marine, in medical science, everywhere you can use this trigonometry. In your houses also you can use trigonometry. Okay, like the measurement of the stairs, the length of the stairs you can calculate. Okay, because you are getting that 90-degree wall is always perpendicular to the base, so you can use. So the application of trigonometry is everywhere. Okay, once you will start studying this, you will get this application everywhere. Okay, so let's have one review what we are going to study here. So we can categorize the formula, all the formulas under this chapter in three categories. First one is ratios or inverse. You can say inverse here. So inverse is line. The inverse of sine theta is 1 upon cosec theta. Second one, the inverse of cos theta is sec theta. And third one, the inverse of tan theta is 1 upon cot theta. So our first set of formulas are inverse formula. Here you can see inverse is happening here. Okay. The second set of formulas are square formula. Okay. So square formula, in square formula you will find square everywhere. Like the first one is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one is tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Third one is uh, cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta. You can see square everywhere. Okay. The third set of formula is complementary. You can see the measure of third set I have written in 91 because the sum of all the angles, all the internal angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. If you are taking this one as 90, what you will get? You will get 90 others. This will be the sum of angle A plus angle C. So basically you are using complementary formula. So these are like first one is sine 90 minus theta will be equal to cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta will be equal to sin theta. And again, tan 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. And cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. You can write for cosec and sec also. Okay. So this is all. This is all formula we are going to study in this chapter. You can categorize this. Exercises are also like these exercises are also divided in these three categories. Okay, this way you can calculate. So these are the basics. Let's summarize what we studied. We have seen the introduction of trigonometry. Okay, it's a combination of two different words. They are from the Greek word trigon and metron. The meaning of that word is to measure all the things of a triangles. Okay, first thing. Second, the basic requirement is you should know the all kinds of triangles and all angles. You know. And third one is trigonometry. What is trigonometry ratio? So we have seen the basic trigonometric ratios here. Then we have summarized what formula or whatever formula we are going to use under this chapter. We have categorized in three. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.